Picture this. The CEO of the most hyped tech company on Earth just admitted his $200 per month subscription loses money on every single customer. And Wall Street's response? They valued his company at $500 billion. Anyway, welcome to the AI bubble. November 30th, 2022. Just a regular Wednesday. Then OpenAI dropped ChatGPT. Within 48 hours, the internet had a new obsession. People were using it to write breakup texts, debug code, explain black holes, and generate bedtime stories. It reached 1 million users in 5 days. 2 months later, 100 million users. Fastest growing app in history. Inside Google's headquarters, executives were having a meltdown. We invented this technology. The transformer model, that was us. Then why is my kid using ChatGPT and not Google's AI? Because we were too scared to release it. Well then, release something. Google scrambled. They had the tech. They had it for years. But they were terrified of what it might say, of lawsuits, of bad press. OpenAI had no such fears. They shipped first. And in tech, first mover advantage is everything. Microsoft threw billions at OpenAI. Google rushed Bard out the door. Amazon dumped money into Anthropic. Everyone else rebranded as AI-powered overnight. If your slide deck mentioned neural networks, you were basically printing money. No revenue, no product, just vibes. Then came the absurdity. AI toothbrushes, AI recipe generators, AI dating coaches. Someone raised millions to build an AI that summarizes other AI outputs. Peak civilization. Then came the GPUs. These tiny chips became more valuable than gold. Startups were hoarding them like survivalists. Renting one top-tier GPU cost a few dollars per hour, but nobody rented one. They rented hundreds, millions per month just to stay alive. NVIDIA couldn't make them fast enough. Waitlists stretched for months. Black markets appeared. People were smuggling chips like contraband. By 2024, everything was AI-powered. Your toaster, your calendar, your grocery checkout. The party was in full swing. Champagne everywhere. Then someone asked the bad question.
Hey,
how much does this actually cost? January 2025. The CEO tweeted something terrifying. We are losing money on every Pro subscriber. Not a little. A lot. The more people used it, the more money they lost. When they priced it, there was no plan. Just vibes. Revenue was billions. Losses were bigger. Burn rates were astronomical. Forecasts said trillions more were coming. Data centers, power grids, cooling systems. To justify it, AI had to become a trillion-dollar industry. Fast. Much faster than anything ever had. Someone else asked when it becomes profitable. Maybe 2029. And if it doesn't, we raise more. From who? Then came the lawsuits. Artists, writers, musicians, journalists. Did you train on our work? Yes. But you didn't ask. No. That became a problem. The mood shifted, from euphoria to doubt. But the bubble didn't pop, because the people inflating it had infinite money. Big tech wasn't investing because it was profitable. They were investing because they were scared. Scared to be the one who missed it. Scared to be the next BlackBerry, so nobody folded. Everyone kept raising. And that leads to the real question. If nobody stops, how do bubbles ever end? Historically, 3 ways. The money disappears. Or a spectacular failure happens. Or something breaks in the real world. None of those have happened yet. So the bubble floats. Not exploding, just stretching. Waiting for the moment something finally snaps.